Okay, we're back. What would you do if I were to tell you that by the end of this lesson, which is several smaller videos, that you're going to run your own Unity program that runs on your PC without Unity? We're going to totally build a small application this lesson. Okay, so if you don't have Unity Hub installed, or I'm sorry, if you don't have Unity Hub running, then you go down here to Unity Hub and start it. All right, and let's move it over here. So we're going to create our first project. Now this is the one I kind of work with. So you'll have no projects here, and you'll have set up the hub already. So it's very simple. You click New Project. There's lots of options here. You can Google them on the net. You'll see these I've never used because I haven't downloaded them yet. And they're great things. There's just a lot to Unity. So we're going to use 3D Core built-in render pipeline. Don't use 2D. That's kind of a flat screen old model game, which works great on like Android phones and stuff. All the 2D ones. But we're going to use the built-in render pipeline. Then over here you just type project. Now this thing called camel case, where you capitalize the first letter of each word, and that's called camel case. Some people don't capitalize the first letter. I do. I make the whole thing camel case. That makes it easier than you can read if it was all lowercase or all uppercase. Another thing, you saw me remove the space. Some programs don't like spaces in directory names or file names. So, although Unity does, I generally remove the spaces because that way I'm just kind of consistent. Now in my case, I'm installing it in my E drive in a directory called Unity. It's going to create another folder under Unity called My Project. When you set up your Unity ID, you may have selected an organization. If you did, select that or select yourself. And it may have nothing here if you didn't set any of that up. We're not going to connect to the Unity cloud. This stuff we can go into detail in another class or lesson, but right now we're just going to get you started. So 3D Core, your project name, the location, the directory that you want the new directory in, your organization, and you create the project. And it'll come up with something like this. And this can take quite a while, so this is where I'm going to end this video and start the next one.